Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So this is gonna be a fun video, I hope. I mean, I'm just doing this just because it's kind of come to this. So as many of you might have picked up on, the beauty studio is haunted, and from time to time there have been weird things that have happened in the background. You guys have seen it all. And you know, as much as I thought that the ghost left, the ghost did not leave. So this has been kind of like an ongoing problem in my life. The woman who lived here before, it was a smaller home up front, and the whole backyard was like a magical garden. Weird stuff started happening, like lights turning off, things knocking over. I don't know how to do this, but we're just putting my crystal right here. I've had to arrive at a point where I'm just embracing it, and the ghost really loves makeup. So I think the best way to calm this spirit down is to invite the ghost to select my makeup and kind of like do a get ready with me. A round of applause for, are you gonna show yourself? Are you? Yep, there's the ghost. We're just gonna kind of let the ghost take a wander and, you know, select a few things for me to get ready with. And I'm really hoping that I can pull off kind of like a glamorous, fall-inspired type of a look. All right, ghost. You're a female ghost? Can I refer to you as her?
I'm a banshee.
Do you have a name?
Boobra.
Boobra. Okay, everybody, it's Boobra, the friendly makeup loving ghost. Oh, okay, is that some setting spray for you?
Yes, it's special effects. It's how I make it spooky.
Do you want to like go pick out some? You're having a hard time focusing. Can you even see yourself in that?
No.
You can't see yourself.
Am I pretty?
You're beautiful.
I wasn't pretty when I was alive. You're a liar.
Okay, so I need some foundation and some primer. I'm suddenly thinking this was maybe a bad idea.
What is this?
Oh, that is a jelly primer. Do you think you're making it float right now? Because you're not.
It is floating.
Okay.
Because I'm not really here.
All right, I'm gonna prime my skin with this Jelly Pack Dramatic Firming Primer, which I don't know why it's still in my drawer because I don't like this. And I've told you guys I don't like it probably like 5 times. For some reason, I don't get rid of it. I don't know why. What foundation should I do?
Fiona.
Shade 2. You are trying to make me look ghostly.
It's what you have available, sweetie. Don't hate the spirit.
I mean, can I bargain with the ghost for maybe like, I don't know, a darker shade?
Is this a 4?
That is a 4. Good job.
Oh, you're using a booty blender.
I am. Wait, where are you going? Grandma, get back here.
Where's my garden?
I've heard about enough of this garden.
I lived here before you. I really like your booty blender.
It's a great tool.
It makes you look beautiful.
Thanks.
Do you ever go on the Instagram?
I love Instagram.
I follow that Boo Roses.
What kind of ghost has a phone? This is not real.
This is your phone that you lost last year. I'm still signed in.
Oh my god, I did lose my phone last year.
I know, I found it.
All right, so my foundation's just about done. What do you think I should do next?
Conceal your flaws.
This is a great one. We're gonna go in with Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to cancel out my dark circles. I'm gonna use light medium.
What do you do after the concealer, sweetie?
We do powder.
I see you use this one all the time. I know it's your favorite.
It is. It smells so nice.
What does it smell like? It smells like sadness and cold.
All right, we're just gonna bake a little bit with the Coty Airspun, just like a tiny little bit. Oh, thank you. Well, I have not tried this. It looks very shiny, so we'll just like pray for the best, you know?
You have all that lovely skin and you cover it so poorly. That's not how I would have done it. How do you get to the candy boo?
You really want me to give you my passcode?
There's no privacy between us. I've seen everything. What's a passcode between two close friends?
Is that what we are?
No, this is a haunting.
Play your game.
Oh, this is quite fun. What do you call this game again?
Candy Crush. You can't put a boo in that.
I can find a place to put a boo anytime. That's why they call me Boobra. What do you need next? Always need something. Please stop throwing things. Please don't slam doors.
Oh my God.
Put my dog down. I'm just trying to have some Boobra time.
Right. Could I get some highlighter? You like shiny things, right?
I sure do.
Yeah.
I stole your ring.
Oh.
It's by MAC.
This is Soft and Gentle by MAC.
Steve Jobs sure is a cutie.
You hang out with Steve Jobs?
I've only seen him from a distance. He's a celebrity boo.
I had this like on hand just in case, but you know,
is
it's
that?
happening right now.
That's not legal here.
It is actually.
Oh, wait, sweetie, give me this. Thank you.
No, you need to leave now.
Why? What does this do?
All right, the sage didn't work. Boobra is still here. If you've noticed I've been a little bit stressed in my videos, it's because this is what's going on in the background, you know? Like, how can I work like this? I can't work like this. I don't know how to work like this.
You don't work in general. You just play with makeup. That's not the real job.
Your sass is at like an 11. Can we like take it down just a little bit?
You can't go any lower than dead, sweetie.
Oh, that's true. All right, it's time for eyeshadow. What should we do?
Something spooky. The Boo Sugar.
The Boo Sugar palette. Okay. Oh, you're gonna apply makeup now too?
It's a little hard to contour when there's nothing there. You don't need makeup when you look this beautiful.
All right, so I'm just gonna like do my normal kind of a thing. I think maybe, you know, I've always played with this palette, but more in the louds. So I actually kind of wanna just go into Cake Mix first. And I'm just gonna blend this into the crease.
What are you doing to your eyes?
I am just adding a little color.
You look bruised. Boozed.
Wait, excuse me, Boobra? I was not done with that. It takes me like 5 hours to film now because this happens and she's kind of running the place right now, you guys. It's really upsetting.
Dirty.
Oh, the ghost twerks too.
Ladies, move. Gentlemen, move. Somebody ring the alarm. A fire on the roof. Ring the alarm. And I'm throwing elbows. Ring the alarm. And I'm throwing elbows. Ring the alarm.
Throwing elbows.
Overdue, give me some room, coming through. Paid my dues, in the mood. Me and the girls gonna shake the room.
All right, Boobra, if you don't settle down, I'm gonna light the sage again.
We both know that doesn't do anything.
Gosh, dang it. I feel like a mom counting to 3.
3, 2, boo. Oh.
So I really only used 3 shades out of here. I used Glucose, which is what is going on my eye right now, which is just a matte white. I used Cake Mix and Ouch. This looks nice. Thank you. Wow, my makeover's complete. All right, I think I need some liner to complete this look. I don't even need you for that. Like, I've got this right here. I'm gonna use the M Cosmetics.
What color is it?
Black.
I like that.
Okay.
You know, I'm a huge fan. Where's that little dog that looks like me? Where's Buka?
Buka's in the house. If you want to go grab Buka, I'm gonna just finish up my liner here.
I'll call your husband.
No.
Call husband.
Calling husband, love of my life.
He's the love of my life. Bring Buka. Buka. He sounds very sweet. That's a good man. Sounds like he has a handsome son. Ooh, we're both ghosts.
You're not both ghosts.
White with black eyes, that's a ghost.
Oh my god.
I know ghosts.
Oh,
This is a ghost.
Boobra's a little crazy today, right? I know.
I'll let
Okay.
him go hunt the floor for scraps.
Did you ever get me blush?
Yes, I did. It's over here.
Oh, Almay. We're going for Almay today? Is that what we're doing?
Yes, I'd like some blush.
You want some blush?
It might make me look a little less dead.
Want some blush?
Yes.
There you go.
How do I look?
Fabulous.
Oh, terrible. Terrible.
You don't like it?
No, I look like a harlot.
No. That's not how I do makeup.
A harlot for my generation, sweetie. I don't even want to talk about yours.
Right, so I think we're gonna finish this getting ready up with a little mascara and some lashes. So I'm using my Joah mascara.
Bua.
Ooh, mascara is looking so good. It looks so nice.
In the future, get softer sheets. This is terrible.
Those are bamboo. They're high quality. I don't know what you are.
Bamboo?
Wow, I set myself up for that one.
You did a great job, sweetie.
What did I do? I just made my eyes look so small. Oh my god.
They were already small.
Okay, I've had enough. You can go and sit in timeout now. Okay, Ghost. So we have made it to the end and I have my makeup done. And now what I always do, which you probably already know because you hang out so much, is set it with a little bit of some setting spray. So,
I'll get mine out too.
oh jeez. Is that safe?
It's non-toxic. I think I like yours more. I feel young again.
Do you really think you need that much?
I don't have any skin.
All right, you guys, I just want to say a huge, huge thank you to you all for hanging out while I get ready with my ghost, Boobra.
Remember, subscribe, comment, like Boobra37.
That's not you. This is not your channel. If you did enjoy it, you can go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed if you have not done that yet. Take a moment, hit the subscribe button, and also make sure that you ring the bell.
Ring the boo.
Yes, either. Just ring it and then you will be notified of my upcoming videos where we won't be graced with Boobra's presence.
You're getting rid of me. You can try the sage again, it won't work.
Anyway, thank you so much to you guys for hanging. Thank you, Boobra, for picking out some beautiful makeup. I do actually really like my look.
You're welcome.
I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Mwah.
Mwah.